all begins with carefully selected cedar trees, famous for their smooth texture and easy sharpening. The tree will be cut into small pieces. With the help of big machines, the shredded wood pieces will be loaded on the truck with the help of a crane. The pieces of wood will be transported to the factory by truck. The wood pieces will be transported inside with the help of conveyor belts. Now, with the help of big machines, the outer peels of the wood will be cleaned. Now cleaned wood will be cut into wooden sheets with the help of big machines. Precision machines carve tiny grooves where the pencil core will be placed. Key component of pencil is graphite, is removed from earth crust with the help of JCB and transported to factory by truck.
Pigments are secured for later mixing. Controlled heat hardens the lacquer. Layer upon layer builds resilience. Technology verifies visual perfection. Each product line follows strict standards. Now automation prepares them for final precision. Imperfections are removed early. Each type follows its designated path. Tips are prepared with exact geometry. Precision cutting defines the writing point. Clean tips ensure clean performance. Softer cores demand careful shaping. Final refination perfects the point. No defect escapes digital inspection. Traceability ensures accountability. Instant curing locks identification in place. For select models, erasers complete the design. Metal bands are secured with force. Erasers are fitted with exact alignment. Now they move toward final precision and packaging. Every unit is digitally accounted for. Automation forms consistent retail sets. Uniform alignment guarantees presentation quality. From raw materials to refined instruments. Engineered for accuracy and durability.
Final product that is pencil.
And that's how millions of pencils are made every single day. If you enjoyed this factory journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory you'd like to see next.